Hello Python programmers. So we are organizing a giveaway of a paid course of Ajonox which will let you understand statistics more clearly with Python. Now on your screen you can see all the details of this course. This is a 300 rupees course which will be given to one of our viewer for free. Now let's talk about how you can participate in this giveaway. Now I won't ask you to like this video, subscribe to our channel. No, we don't do that here. What you need to do is you need to go to our channel, select any of our project. Don't select those small patterns and small calculator thing. A medium sized project, select that project and modify that project according to yourself. Add something which makes that project even greater. You know what I mean, right? So just do that and send me at harshit.roy @iknowpython.com. This is my email address. I'll also provide that in the description below. Just send that project to that email address, and after 3 to 4 days, I'll select a lucky winner from that list. Okay, so this is a 300 rupees course which I'm giving to one of our viewer for free. So let's see who wins.